Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Amina Yasen, I'm in 9th grade. Today I'll be doing an experiment for Work from Home's channel, which is Mr. Ahmad's channel. In my experiment is about antiseptic materials. I'll give you two examples about antiseptic materials. The first one is hydrogen peroxide and the second one is iodine. So before I start my experiment, I will give you the full information about these two products, which are hydrogen peroxide and iodine. So the first one, as I said, hydrogen peroxide, the symbol of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2, which means extra oxygen in water, which gives its oxidation power to kill some germs, for example, like bacteria. So now I'll give you some uses of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an antiseptic used on the skin to prevent infection from minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. It may also be used as a mouth rinse, for example, like gingivitis. The second type, or the second kind, is iodine. As I said, iodine is an antiseptic material. The symbol of iodine is I. Iodine is used to treat and prevent iodine deficiency and as an antiseptic. So, and we also use iodine. For example, if we have wound on any part of our body, when we put iodine on that wound, the iodine will sterilize that wound from many bacteria and other things. So now I will start my experiment. My ingredients contain water in this beaker, citric acid. Well, here I have vitamin C. I can use vitamin C or citric acid. We can use both, but here I will use citric acid or lemon. We have lemon in this beaker. And then we have 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide and iodine, hydrogen peroxide and pipette. So as you guys know, we have water in this beaker. I'll put some drops of hydrogen peroxide. So when I put some drops of hydrogen peroxide in this beaker, of course, you know the color changes into dark orange. Take a look. Okay. Now I'll mix the water with iodine, and you guys know the color changed into dark orange. As you guys can see, the color changed into dark orange. So after, before I put hydrogen peroxide, I want to say that when I put hydrogen peroxide into this beaker with iodine, the color restores as the first color. I mean the water color, and you guys know the water color is white color. Take a look. So put hydrogen peroxide into this beaker. So as you guys know, this is hydrogen peroxide. And here in this cup, I have 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. I'll put this hydrogen peroxide into this beaker with iodine. So now I'll mix. So, as you guys can see, the color restores as the water color. So after when I put citric acid or lemon, as I said, we have lemon in this beaker. When I powder this citric acid into this beaker, I want to say that the color restores again. I mean, the iodine color restores. So take a look. I'll put lemon into this beaker with hydrogen peroxide and iodine. The iodine color will restore. So mix it now again. So as you guys can see, the iodine color restores again. So yes, that was my experiment. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you guys got a lot of information about this experiment.